Hi, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to access the analytics on LinkedIn for the posts that you do. So from your homepage, or this could also be considered your profile page, you would click on views of your posts over here underneath your name. It pulls up all of the posts that you've done, and any post within the last 180 days will have this icon beside it, the uh, the chart or the bar graph. And so I'll go to a post that has more views. You can click on that and it'll bring down a drop down list where you can see all of the data here. And they break it up into three different categories. The first category shows how many companies, or I guess companies, are represented in the folks that viewed your post. In the middle, you have the job roles of each person. And then on the right-hand side, you have the metro area where they hail from. And so this data is available for 180 days, I do believe, following the posting date. So I hope this helps. Have a great day.